Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes fix hanging or crashing apps in Windows 11. First method is right-click Start button, click Run, type WSReset. Second method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scano. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.